In the digital age, the internet has become an invaluable tool for accessing information on virtually any topic. Whether you're seeking to learn about the history of ancient civilizations, the latest scientific breakthroughs, or the best restaurants in your area, the first step is often to turn to a search engine like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. As you type your query into the search bar, you are essentially using keywords to communicate what information you're looking for. Keywords are an integral part of search engine optimization, SEO, and online marketing. They play a vital role in determining how search engines understand and rank web pages, making them crucial for businesses, content creators, and webmasters seeking to attract a relevant audience to their websites. Among the various types of keywords, one essential category is informational keywords. What are informational keywords? Informational keywords, also known as informational search queries or informational search terms, are a type of keyword used by search engine users when they are seeking knowledge, answers, or specific pieces of information. The primary intent behind an informational search is to gain insights, learn something new, or understand a particular topic better. These queries are typically non-commercial in nature, meaning the searcher is not looking to make a purchase or engage in a transaction immediately. Unlike transactional or commercial keywords, which focus on buying products or services, informational keywords are centered around seeking educational, instructional, or explanatory content. These types of queries are common when people are in the early stages of their research process, trying to gather background information, or simply exploring a subject of interest. Informational searches can be broad or specific, covering a vast range of topics and fields. Examples of informational keywords. To better grasp the concept of informational keywords, let's look at some examples across different areas. General knowledge. What is the capital of France? Who was Leonardo da Vinci? How do plants perform photosynthesis? What causes the seasons on Earth? Product information. iPhone 13 specifications. Review of Samsung 4K Smart TVs. Best budget laptops for gaming. How-to guides. How to tie a bowline knot. Guide to baking a chocolate cake. Step-by-step guide to meditation. Comparison queries. iPhone versus Android, which is better? Differences between Mac and PC laptops. Pros and cons of electric cars. Academic and research. Impact of climate change on polar bears. History of ancient Rome. Is dark matter observable? Importance of informational keywords. Informational keywords hold immense importance in the online ecosystem for several reasons. Traffic generation. By targeting informational keywords, businesses and content creators can attract relevant traffic to their websites. Providing valuable and informative content can establish them as authoritative sources, encouraging users to return for more information. Building trust and authority. Websites that consistently provide accurate and well-researched information gain trust and authority in their respective fields. This credibility can lead to increased user loyalty and positive brand perception. Content marketing strategy. For content marketing efforts, focusing on informational keywords enables companies to engage potential customers and create a relationship before presenting commercial content. Lead generation. Websites can use informational content to capture leads by offering downloadable resources, newsletters, or access to exclusive content in exchange for user information. Establishing expertise. Individuals or organizations seeking to showcase their expertise and knowledge can use informational keywords to demonstrate their proficiency in a given subject. How to identify informational keywords? Identifying the right informational keywords for a website or content requires thorough research and understanding of the target audience's needs. Here are some strategies to help you find relevant informational keywords. Keyword research tools. Utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz to identify keywords related to your niche. These tools provide insights into search volume, competition, and related queries. Competitor analysis. Analyze the content of your competitors, especially those with a strong online presence. Identify the keywords they are targeting and the topics they cover to gain inspiration for your content. User intent analysis. Put yourself in the shoes of your target audience and think about what questions they might have related to your industry or area of expertise. Understanding user intent is crucial for identifying the right informational keywords. Content gaps. Look for content gaps on your own website or in your industry. Find topics that are underrepresented or not covered at all and create content around them. Search engine suggestions. As you start typing a query into a search engine, it often provides suggestions based on popular searches. These suggestions can give you ideas for informational keywords. Optimizing for informational keywords. Once you have identified relevant informational keywords, it's essential to optimize your content to match the user's intent and provide valuable information. Here are some tips for optimizing content for informational keywords. High-quality content. Focus on creating comprehensive, well-researched, and accurate content that addresses the user's query in depth. The more value your content provides, the more likely it is to rank well in search results. Useful titles and meta descriptions. Craft clear and compelling titles and meta descriptions that accurately represent the content's topic and encourage users to click through to your page. Structured content. Organize your content using headings, subheadings, bullet points, and numbered lists to make it easy for users to scan and find the information they need quickly. Visual content. Enhance your content with relevant images, infographics, and videos to supplement the text and engage users further. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages on your website within the content. This helps users navigate to related information and signal search engines about the interconnectedness of your content. Mobile optimization. Ensure that your website and content are mobile-friendly, as an increasing number of users conduct informational searches on their mobile devices. Engagement signals. Encourage user engagement with your content by allowing comments, providing share buttons, and creating interactive elements like quizzes or surveys. Conclusion. In conclusion, informational keywords play a vital role in the world of search engine optimization and content marketing. These queries are the driving force behind users' quests for knowledge and understanding on the internet. By identifying and targeting the right informational keywords, businesses and content creators can attract relevant traffic, build trust and authority, and establish themselves as valuable resources within their respective industries. When creating content, the focus should always be on providing valuable information that meets the user's intent, ensuring a positive user experience, and ultimately contributing to a successful online presence. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, understanding and leveraging informational keywords will remain crucial for those seeking to thrive in the vast sea of information that is the internet.